Alright, I'm live on my stream.
Okay, wait, I need to start streaming now. Okay, bruh. Let me start my stream now. Are you talking?
Hello, hello, can you hear me?
One second. Alright, hello?
I can't hear you on this.
You can't hear me?
Nope.
Can you hear me? Hello, bruh?
Hello, hello.
Hello?
Nope, I don't hear you.
Dude, it looks as if I'm talking.
Why I can't hear you?
Huh?
Why I can't hear you?
Shut up. Hello? Hello?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, bruh.
Hello? Hello, hello. I don't hear you. I don't hear you, but I see you queuing up. I see you queuing up, but I can't hear you. Hello, hello. The hell's going on, bro? That's weird. Did you mute me? You probably muted me or something. I can't hear you. You're not muted on my side. Dude, you're not even talking, bro. Exceeded skill restrictions. What the hell does that mean? Bro, I can't hear you, man. I don't know what's going on. Mic check. Mic check. I can hear me because I turned my volume up on my mic and I can hear myself, bro. Yo, something wrong with your shit, dude. What's wrong with your mic, dude? Dude, aren't you in my group? What, it's too big?
No, it's small. It's small.
Alright, there, I can hear you
Hello?
now. Alright.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Dad?
Hello, can't you hear me?
Hello?
Alright, let's run it. Cue us in. That one shot, headshot. What?
Hello? Dad?
What, man?
No, that's not.
That one shot sniper, bro. Brought it back.
Dad, dude, hello.
Shut up, man. You can hear me. What's going on, dude? Hello?
Who goes to SCSU, bro? Who works at SDSU? I don't know.
Come on, man. Cue us in, dude.
Bro, I only got to go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Hurry up, dude. Can't you hear me? The fuck? Cue us in, dude.
Stop. Whose sweats are these? Let me grab one more at a time and I'm gonna smack it out of you. Start looking now.
Dad.
Hello? Man, what the fuck, dude? Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Alright, yeah, I can hear you. Let's start this crap, bro. Let's start it, bro. Let's freaking start it, bro. You can hear me, right?
Yep. Can
Yeah?
you hear me?
Yeah.
You can't use the explosive rounds in this game? No, I don't think so.
Broadcast. It's day 3.
Oh, I don't think you can use it, bro. Hey, hey, ow.
Bro, who are you talking to? Down.
That's the sound. Don't you hear it? Hey, hey, how, how.
No, bro, I can't.
It's the sound of the fucking, the music. Alright, here we go, man. Check me out. Check me out, chat. I'm finna snipe out like 20 guys. Oh, let's go. Mahomes already at it, bro.
Holding for deployment. Take this time to warm up. Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, this up. Bitch. Come on, YouTube, turn me up, turn me up.
Bro, we got viewers.
Yeah, I got viewers, bro. Come on, man. Turn me up, YouTube.
What got no guy named Yusuf in this chat? Not
Turn
cap.
me up, chat. Turn me up, chat.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
You're a bum, bro.
Some guy that sucks playing.
No, they're about to see the best right here. Let me turn my hacks on. Let me know when you want to turn hacks on, chat.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, they did. They took it off, bro.
Enough training.
You can't have
Now
the
we face the
explosive
enemy for
round.
real. Battle Royale.
Bro, that's like 3,000 meters away, man. We're gonna make that jump or what?
Bro,
Gas
don't
is
go
closing on your
there.
position.
Don't go there.
Suggest you
Yeah,
get
that's
moving.
too far,
It's
bro.
just a train.
That's too far.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Come with us, dude. Come on. Dude, what are you doing, bro? Come on.
Found some loot.
One dropping in the back. Oh, no.
Got some cash.
Get off this thing. Right here at the house coming up.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Gas is inbound.
They're here right in front of us in that little plaza down there. I'll pop this counter when I get up there. They're right here. They pop the counter UAV.
Your team made it to the safe zone.
Hostile UAV in the sector.
Solid
You
copy.
ain't seen
Counter
shit,
UAV is
bro.
blocking
You
enemy
ain't seen
recon.
shit. They're here somewhere. They're all hiding, holding each other's butts.
Right here.
Where? Give me a ping, give me a ping. Give me a ping. Ain't nobody here, bro. But they're here, they're right around this thing.
Moving here.
Where it is?
He's dead.
Nice.
Counter UAV exiting
Hold
the
on, hold on, hold on.
AO.
Watch out for his two teammates. Watch out for the roof.
Friendly airstrike on the way.
Over here.
Moving here.
Don't push it too much. We're playing range, bro. Wait. Don't push it too much. We gotta push it together. Find out where they at first. Where?
Right here.
Yep. Got one. He's right here, buddy. Oh, man.
Shut up.
Bro.
Go, get out. Damn.
The slick. Where the fuck you at, bro?
Bro, teammate, come
What a
on.
bum, dude.
Talk about God.
How the hell did you die, dude?
Fight for your chance to redeploy.
Useless ass.
Bro,
fucking
you really
bum,
did
bro.
it?
I'm gonna lose some SR for this fucking scrub. Bro, I killed one and down one. What the fuck are you doing, buddy? This fucking
Dad,
sucks.
what do you mean? I killed one. I was the one I
You did not
downed
kill
one.
one.
I
killed
downed
that
one.
dude.
I
downed that guy and you didn't
downed
kill
it.
shit.
No, I downed a guy that was right there in the freaking
Bro,
wall.
I have it on the stream, bro.
Dude, no. I freaking downed a guy, dude.
Jesus Christ, man. You and this guy, the slick, is a fucking bum. Come on, man. Give me somebody, bro. He killed somebody. Or was that you?
Let's go, bruh.
Oh, they about to let me out for free. Oh, man. Let's go.
Now, soldiers, this is my world. Your only way out is to kill your enemies or stay forever.
Oh, come on, man. Fuck.
You took a beating. Back to base with you.
Bitch. Bro, what's going on with this shit, man? What the hell? You got some lags going on or what? Alright, we got shit together.
Oh
man.
my god.
Oh no. Clear it, clear it, clear it.
Moving here.
Clear your shit.
Found a buy station.
Clear it, man. Man, bro. Oh, there. These motherfuckers are here.
Hostile UAV
Get out of there,
overhead.
Slick. Come on, Slick. Push back. Oh, too late.
Your squad mate has entered the gulag.
Give me a buy right
Surviving
here.
earns
Focus
them
one.
redeployment.
Buddy, are you fucking here or what? No, I ain't blowing your ass back. Fuck you, dude. Ah, fucking bums.
Bloody fire!
That's why your man got killed, you bitch.
Here's a buy station.
Body back, the other guy's AFK. Put your crosshair up a little bit so you can see, bro. Why are you looking at the ground, bro? Come on, man. Be smart. Good job. Good job. Are you here, buddy?
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Dude, fucking guy, man. Try for the Butt Brothers. They all fucking running together in a line.
Gas is closing in. Your team is in the safe zone.
Assault rifle here.
Keep going in there.
Going in right now.
Hostile counter UAV is active.
Come on, push it over here to the gas station.
Marked an SMG.
Need mid-cal rounds.
LMG marked.
Alright, I got 10K, dude. Let's go get a
Alright,
loadout.
bruh.
Give me a buy.
What we doing, bruh?
Let's go get a loadout.
Oh, I
think
see a
it's
guy.
like- Where?
No,
Moving here.
there's guys over here.
Where? Oh, yeah. I got a strike. Let's go push it.
Dude, our team is slow.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
You see them?
Did they? Bro, Dad, they went fishing on Sunday.
Today?
Yeah, Dave and them. Like, bruh, who goes fishing on a Sunday unless you don't work? I'm like, doesn't
them?
it fall at work?
Gas is closing. Get to the new
They're
safe
off on
zone.
the weekend.
Huh?
They're off on the weekend. That's not enough for a loadout,
Yeah,
bro.
but
Let's go find a buy. Right here. Oh, never mind. Oh, right here on the left. Left.
Grenade out.
Bottom.
Hostile precision airstrike. Get to cover.
Oh, get out of there. That precision, dude.
Yeah, no. Well,
Yeah,
where they at?
no.
Right here.
Moving here. Moving here.
Incoming.
Copy
that. Strike coming.
Mortar strike inbound now.
Come down. Wrap around. Wrap around, buddy. Right here, way far right. Come from behind. You see them? Where, dude?
Gas is moving.
No hits, shot miss.
Your team
What?
has entered the safe zone.
See them?
Watch for movement.
Okay. Yep. Hold on.
I'm going to out there.
Activating DDoS.
Straight ahead, I hear it. They just bought back right here at the buy. Come on. Right here at the buy.
Hostile UAV active.
They just got a UAV too. They're nowhere here.
I'm taking fire.
Found a vehicle.
Inside the house right here on the bottom right. I got no fucking place, dude. Don't push it.
Dad, here. Place right here. I got you. Come up here. Dad, the rabbit.
Yeah. It's right here outside.
Come here, I got it. Here.
Drop.
Take that.
Alright, I'm on
Oh,
you.
behind me, Dad. Come up.
Yep.
Hostile UAV overhead.
You got him? Behind us. I'm being looked at. Right here, in the house.
Moving here.
Damn, I can hit shit,
Wait, where are you at, man?
Marking new safe zone.
bullshit, bro.
Look over here, being the stupidest teammate in the world, dude.
Fucking gun is trash. Man, what the fuck?
Bro, Slick is so
Loadout drop
trash.
headed your
Like, for real, dude. Dad, should I just text him the group chat that we need one? For,
The gulag is locked down. Area is clear.
Hold on.
You're losing ground.
I'm gonna go to this fucking buy right here, dude.
Move to the safe zone. Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Fuck. Bitch. Oh, the king's on me too. Oh, he just bought back.
I'm about to land on you, Dad.
The king's right here.
Yep. Push him right now. Dad, behind you, Dad. He's behind you. Guy behind you, dude.
I know. He's coming forward.
Dad. Dad, one shot, dude. He's one shot. Dad, he's legit one shot. Dad, he's one shot, dude. Oh my god, Dad, he's one shot.
I got a fucking pistol, dude. Oh, Lord.
Yes, he's dead.
So am I, dude.
I mean, we're getting placement points.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Give me a buy.
Only 25
There's
remain.
no buy.
Fuck no.
It's only this. Dad, it's only that. That thing that they just dropped over there. That thing's gonna drop that rebirth thing.
Yep.
That thing drops a rebirth. Right here. I'm the ATV right here, Dad. Right in the middle of everywhere. Split. This lit. Oh. Man, we need an actual teammate, like a person we freaking dude.
Some of your team is still outside the safe zone.
We just gotta get placement points now. That's all we're gonna do. Are they on the loadout?
Hostile UAV active.
Fuck's that noise? Oh, I gotta fucking buy.
Friendly buy station deployed.
Watch this fuck up, bro.
This thinks he's an actual streamer.
Fucked up, bro. Streaming it out, guys.
Oh my god, dude.
Streaming it out, guys.
Right there.
Oh
Gas inbound.
Buy it.
no! Damn, that's fucked up, dude. This little bitch waiting from the back of me. Look bad.
Deployable buy station is ready.
Don't shoot him, Slick. Come on, Slick. Go over there in the house, dude.
Damn, dude. Fuck.
That's what happens when you think you're a freaking streamer, dude.
Well, at least we get some places for it. See the guy right here on the right? You don't even see him, bro. On the right? What a fucking dumbass. He's on the right of you, stupid.
Come on, man. Family streams out here, man. Dude, he's gonna really use a pistol to kill a guy, dude.
He's behind you!
You're nearly done. Less than 25, we're still standing.
We need a guy who knows how to play, bro.
Stun grenade! Stay with me!
Check her out, man. Check her out. That's what happens when you play with some suck-ass bums, bro.
Here, I'll browse part, find a player. You want a player that...
Oh, we got some good points on that one. Placement, got some good shit.
Mother.
Nobody's on, man.
Bro, who goes fishing? Who goes fishing on a Sunday, man? It's a party day, technically.
Ain't no damn party day. It's a rest day, you idiot.
Yeah, rest day. But people do parties on Sundays too. And no one has work. Oh, this guy's a good rank.
Just run it, man. Let's run it. Oh, yeah. What is that rank?
That's platinum rank.
Oh, okay.
My boy Soka still up there. Bro, he's left.
He thought we was scrubs, man.
Do I look like a scrub? Let me change my skin up. Change my skin up, bro. Oh, this guy's a bronze. Okay.
Yeah, alright, let's run it. He's higher than me.
Yo. Dad, you have to unmute him.
Oh.
What's up?
Why they mute him from me?
Because I think he, voice ban.
Bro. Still muted.
I'm gonna come back.
Oh, there it is. Alright, good.
Yo.
What up?
What's up, bro?
Catch these dubs, man. Let's rank up.
Oh, man, that's my first game this season.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, but I'm pretty cracked.
Hell yeah. Body shot. Alright. Alright, let's catch some dubs, man. Let's do it. That last partner we had was a fluke.
Dad.
Check weapons and gear.
Yeah.
We're holding for deployment.
Oh, my Call of Duty is like not even halfway done.
Enemy dropping into the
Takes a long
AO.
time.
I just need a level of weapons.
Oh, you didn't die, huh? Some headshot.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Dad.
Bro.
My Call of Duty's not gonna be done until like 13 more hours.
Damn. You might as well just go to sleep.
This guy's gonna make me freaking lag now.
DJ, just stop it and just do it tonight.
Yeah. Do it tonight. Before you go sleep.
The download.
You're downloading. Stop it right now.
Practice is over. The real fight begins now.
So that unmute.
Oh,
Yeah. Hello, hello.
no, I can't hear him.
I can't hear him either.
Oh, no, you don't.
Can you hear him?
Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Give me a second.
Moving.
See him going down there too.
Yeah, don't actually land at the place, land like around it.
Yeah, there's like two guys behind you, but three guys on. Three guys on. Get out of there, get out of there. They're dropping right on you. One directly behind you, they're all over here.
Moving here.
There's a guy under me.
Redeploy drone here. Hit
Like
visual on the
three teams
enemy.
here.
Requesting recon flyover.
Enemy mark.
Where?
I got a fucking
Your
pistol.
squad mate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I don't see him.
I had a bass. My mic was muted. I had a bass P, bro. That gun's so retarded. They didn't take that.
Gas is moving.
They got a UAV, buddy.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I had a UAV up too. Those guys
Moving.
are trash. I almost killed that other guy with them.
Squad mate has been
Behind
cleared
me.
for redeployment. Be advised.
You
Part
just
of your
heard him
team is
over there.
outside.
You got another one?
Go.
Oh, God, what are you doing over here, bro? Come on.
The wiper. My bad, bro. My shots was off.
Your squad mate is in the gulag now. If they survive, they redeploy.
That's one team gone.
It's clear over here. Come over here, Dad. I'll load us right here.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Those guys here.
Redeploying.
Another one
Yeah,
top,
right there
very
on
top.
the top.
Hostile airstrike
He's
incoming.
dead.
Precision.
Drop it on you.
Yep, he's on the mountain.
Hostile mortar strike incoming.
Another precision.
Get your loadie, get your loadie, get your loadie.
Right in the
Why do you
backside,
have
right?
two?
Right here.
Inside the house.
Good shit. One more somewhere.
The loadout's inside the, this thing right here.
Moving here.
Alright, so they're not on us no more.
But
You get your loadout inside the house?
no.
Yeah,
Over here.
Let's go with him.
Where is it at?
You go inside here, and it's a box right there.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Sounds like someone down there close. Oh, that might have been my teammate, but I heard someone.
We can buy a loadout right now. I mean, what's it called? A UAV.
No, we got that personal one right
Friendly
there.
loadout drop on the way.
As long as we in the vicinity of the free one.
You need ammo like a mother. I need ammo at least.
That's a little crate
Gas
right
is
here.
closing. Get to the
Yeah, I
new
do
safe
too,
zone.
bro. I am low.
Right here, free reroll crate.
What's on, green or blue?
Blue.
Blue.
I bet that's it.
It's on the bottom right here.
Ammo depot here.
Dad, what sniper are you using?
I didn't get the sniper rifle, I got the cost off. But it's the MCRP 300, it's not a one shot, man.
You wanna go see it? Yes, it is.
No, not on this one, only on research.
Yes, it is, bro. Don't.
Moving.
Let's take over there.
Try it.
Let me see.
Moving here. This one's down.
Here.
Finish him.
No, it's not a sniper.
Inside her.
See, they took it off. See how you got 4? They took it off.
They only take off the laser. That's it.
No, man.
Oh yeah, I forgot they took off the
Yeah.
They took it out. Yeah, because it was because
Okay.
it was
Your team is in the safe
yeah.
zone.
See, I could have listened to myself and got the other one. It's alright. I'll just use my cost off. By strike. Buy it. Oh, my God. Alright, so blue one.
Need recon overhead.
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
No guy near.
Black site is clear. Area secure.
Oh, what hell is clear, dude?
I was about to shoot that
advised,
fucking
UAV is
bird that
exiting
was
the
right
AO.
there. I thought it was a person. I'm like, what the fuck?
I used to do that in GTA.
Oh man, I'm good.
What do you guys want to do?
Moving.
Where? Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're over there.
I'm gonna take this balloon over here. The UAV up here. I ain't stop this here. I kind of want to do this spot though. We got the high ground.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Yeah, let's do a slice first.
Where do you want to go? There's guys right here. There's guys over there on green mark.
Ooh, that's a sniper right here, bro.
There's guys over here on my mark. There's a lot of guys over here. They have a most wanted on the left side.
It must be good then if they want most wanted.
Confident, very confident.
They can get fucked up. Where they at?
You see anything?
Shotgun here.
Let's wait for the circle to close and see where they're
This
going.
is enemy territory. Keep it tight.
Yeah, no, that's what I was thinking. Let's wait for this thing to close down.
Oh, that's so cold. It's fire.
Still got the UAV up on the low.
8 seconds till it closes, and then we should know where we should go next. It's probably gonna push right more.
We've got gas inbound.
Yeah.
Safe zone relocated.
A little
It's
bit
gonna be
up,
mountainside. Yeah, it's
Moving
gonna be
here.
mountainside. Mountainside right here.
Moving.
I guess we could just wait to see who comes in.
Moving here.
No, because we would already had this side locked down. This side is already locked down. We would already knew if someone came. Unless they're ghosted.
She's coming. What are you using? Attack 56?
Yep.
Yeah, I use that bitch too. I just
Right
had
here?
the class.
Right here, left side, bros. Right here.
Moving here.
Where?
It's on the radar. Right here.
Moving
Can you
here.
kill him?
Oh
See him right here.
fuck!
It's on the radar.
I just got sniped at, bro.
Oh yeah, let's get
Where?
down. Pushing the sill top right here, waiting for them to come in. Yeah, they should be coming in from that direction.
Moving.
Oh wait, they're at the buy. At the buy.
Which spot? Right in front of us? Yeah.
Yeah.
One in the air, two in there.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Dad, right here, dude. Dad, right here, dude.
No, I ain't coming down.
No, Dad, right there. Right there. Shoot the guy.
Oh, I fucking got killed with my own strike? What the fuck?
He's down. He's
No,
down
that
right
was
there.
his
He's down on the buy.
strike. I'm good up here on top.
He's down on the buy right here.
No, I killed him. I finished the dude. I finished one.
Alright, good. Drop him the money when you pick
I didn't
them
even see it.
They're at the bottom.
Oh yeah, just at the bottom.
Yeah, they're at the bottom, bro.
Yeah, yes. Play it up real quick. Yeah, he's brought him back again.
Drop the money. They can buy back.
He's
They're all in there. Throw your thing inside the
Grenade out. Use the drill charge. Taking effective fire.
On your right.
Yeah, they're on the right.
Fast.
I'm good for pick up. He's gonna try to push up the hill.
Yeah, how you always die?
I don't know
Out
how
of
they
nowhere.
see me. I'm good up here if you can come back up. Oh, you were down?
You have to go back down.
Oh shit, I don't think I'm gonna make that drop. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's there.
Oh, he's up there. He two of them came up. Get out of here. know
fight
why
to
you
earn
jump
redeployment.
down there, bro. Like we had the advantage on the hill, and then you jump down.
Dude, because
That's stupid.
I didn't know.
We had the UAV up, and we had the advantage on the hill, but you jumped down, buddy.
Dude, I don't know how you didn't kill that guy. I marked him, bro. He was literally right there before you got shot down by the airstrike.
No, I was glad to kill him, but the fucking air, I didn't even hear an airstrike
Wow,
come
you
down.
fucking
None.
serious, bro? Fucking, bro, that's, see.
I gotta win this.
You know what's crazy is I was running across that bridge the whole time. I didn't see it.
Or hero, this game key is so stupid. I do not lose this, bro. Throw it right there. Throw your L1. L1 that one. No, you should have L1 now. No, now stay right there. Stay middle. Stay in that hallway. Right there. Stay there, Dad.
Hold on, did you go back to life?
Hold left. Hold left. Yep. Go. Play. He's about to. He's about to.
You've earned your redeployment. Stand by.
Oh, Dad, you can buy that. That's probably not the best place.
Oh, shit, nobody do you?
You're good. Yeah, no, let's good. It's good. It's good. Don't take forever, though.
You're the last
Bro,
one
you
in
know
your
what?
squad. Finish the job.
That
Your
fucking
squad
game, bro.
will
I'm so mad, bro. That game,
Oh. Wow.
What happened?
Dad, I don't think so. Dad killed him.
Moving.
There's a guy there. Motherfucker.
Should I kill him? Should I go over there?
No.
Hell no. Play
Don't
smart.
go, it's too hot. Yeah, play smart. We gotta get placement points.
So should I go over there? Nigga.
Just play smart, you know, we get placement points, man. Oh, you're getting shot at. Sniper on the right in front of you. Watch out for him jumping down. Change that gun, they're gonna stop.
Coming.
Going on the left side.
Get that gun right there. Yep, RPK. Get out of there, man. Go now.
No, we'll play high ground.
He might be up there. I heard him. He's close. See? Oh, that's it. Someone jumping in on you.
You can get his money. You can get his money.
Another one on your right jumping in.
Behind
They
you,
got loadout. Right there.
I didn't even mean to press R1 either.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Oh, we got a good gun too. We're good.
You've got a loadout drop
man.
inbound.
It's coming to your left side.
Right there. Good shit.
Good shit.
Idiot thought he can. I don't know if that loadout was good.
Hell
Drop
no.
out here. Yeah, drop out here somewhere. Post it in. Watch out for that house right there. They're probably on the left. You know, everybody that you see gonna have a team with them. It's gonna be a full team. So you kill one, look for the other one. L1, you got that scene thing. Snapshot. Snapshot that building, yep. See if it snaps somebody. No, looks clear. Load up. You got buy station right there too.
Play smart.
25 are left. Stay sharp out there. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
You know that loadout's gonna be hot.
You're right,
Yeah, right there. Yeah. One on your far left too. Don't even look at them. They can see you when you're looking at them. Camp that buy out.
Well, those ankles.
Yep, stay on that roof and camp the buy. Oh, you just put yourself on the map, dude. Man.
Gas is moving.
I don't even know.
Yeah, another one. You only got a knife. You only got a knife. Or two of them. Why did you do that?
Learn from the loss. Failure is a
I had
teacher.
to get my clip.
Why'd you push that, dude? You should have pushed back. Could have been top 5, man. Look at this faggot right here just crawling around.
Racked up shit that I'm putting in.
I'm close to ranking up. It's been like 90.
Yeah, see, we gotta get some good placement points like that.
Alright, I'm gonna come back.
Oh, fuck.
That's good. Almost got 100 placement points.
Me too.
Check your gear and weapons. We go soon.
What?
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy soldier incoming.
Stop running, you bum.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Ah.
Training is over. Time to see what you have learned.
Alright, that was a good game last game. Let's do it again, boys.